Tuscany is a veritable treasure mine of ancient attractions, with Renaissance art, charming villages with medieval roots, and absolutely stunning scenery with a distinct pastoral feel around its rolling hills. Although Tuscan food is well known worldwide, the region excels at making wine. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 places to stay in Tuscany. The video will be amazing, so stick to the end. Before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Viareggio. Viareggio, a little beach hamlet with excellent access to the sea, is sometimes referred to as the Pearl of the Tyrrhenian Sea. Viareggio is a fantastic spot to stay in Tuscany if you're seeking vibrant nightlife, great shopping, and fun in the sun and surf. The Carnival of Viareggio is one of Europe's most well-known carnivals. Many of its magnificent papier-mâché floats and parades portray contemporary cultural and political events, drawing thousands of costumed spectators. Number 9. Livorno. Livorno is a tiny city on the Ligurian Sea that is less well-known than some of its sister cities. However, this charming coastal town has a rich history and many exciting things to discover, from the well-preserved historical ruins to the multicultural environment. The Livorno Aquarium, which features a variety of aquatic life and colorful fish, is a favorite attraction if you're traveling to Livorno with children. Number 8. Montepulciano. Montepulciano is one of Tuscany's most exclusive places. Tuscany's most productive wine area is Montepulciano, which has more wines than you can see in a single trip. Most of these wineries provide tourism-related activities, from selecting your own grapes to tasting the most outstanding vintages. Montepulciano hotels are dispersed over the countryside and provide luxurious lodging amidst the olive gardens and shaded Tuscan trees. Number 7. Pitigliano. Pitigliano, a picturesque town perched above a tufa hill, served as a refuge for Jews fleeing the impoverished ghettos of important Tuscan cities in the 16th century. The restaurants in Pitigliano serve authentic Tuscan cuisine and top Maremma Valley wines, notably the area's signature white wine, Bianco di Pitigliano. Explore Pitigliano's vicolo, or little lanes that link the main streets after supper. Pitigliano offers a variety of small, charming 3-star hotels with basic rooms and more compact flats in the central Old Town. Number 6. AREZZO. If you want to experience local living without staying in the country, AREZZO is the place to go. AREZZO's winding lanes are home to fantastic shops and market booths where you can buy trinkets, clothes, and fragrant spices. AREZZO is the ideal location if you're searching for a tranquil Tuscan holiday with all the food, shopping, and peace you could want. Number 5. PIENZA. The picturesque plaza, cathedrals, and authentic pecorino cheese that Pienza, a little hilltop hamlet in the Val d'Orcia, is famous for, making it one of the best in Tuscany. You can see all the major attractions of Pienza in a single day, but many people remain for the city's undeniable romance and charm, which are captured in the streets with names like Via del Bacio, or Street of the Kiss, and Via dell'Amore, or Street of Love. Despite its tiny size, Pienza surprisingly has a variety of lodging alternatives, including modest B&Bs, attractive hotels, and villas scattered around the countryside. Number 4. Lucca. Lucca is one of the world's oldest cities and dates back to the Etruscan period. Lucca offers fantastic cafes, restaurants, and tiny gelato stores that frequently have live performances of traditional Italian music for a hot Italian day. As well as beautiful villas for rent in the nearby countryside, Lucca's city center offers a variety of Renaissance-style rental flats and boutique hotels. Number 3. Siena. Siena is like stepping back in time to ancient Italy because of its world-renowned wine, beautiful ambience, and slower pace of life. The distinctive food and wine of Siena are well known. In most restaurants, ricciarelli is a must-try Sienese cookie served as dessert, while pisi is a traditional spaghetti-like meal. Due to its location in the Chianti area, Siena offers a wide variety of wine in most local taverns and restaurants, making it the ideal Tuscan destination for wine enthusiasts. Along with several Airbnbs and hotels in the city's heart, Siena also offers some excellent travel hostels. Number 2. Pisa. Pisa, a city of Italian folklore on Italy's western coast, is a beautiful and active ancient city. This area also houses the National Museum of Pisa, which houses several significant artifacts, manuscripts, and paintings from the 12th century. Evening clubs, bars, and wineries popular with tourists and students can be found in Pisa. Due to its popularity, Pisa has a large number of hotels and hostels with a variety of amenities and price points. Pisa is a beautiful city and should be included in every Tuscan travel plan, even though much of it can be seen at the weekend. Number 1. Florence. The capital and primary tourist destination of Tuscany, Florence may be unmatched in terms of its aesthetic appeal, cultural relevance, and romantic appeal. The cathedral on Piazza del Duomo is one of the top travel attractions around the globe. Florence also boasts the most incredible hostel network in terms of accommodations, with budget hostels and hotels outside the city center and 5-star luxury hotels focused in the central area. Florence is a fantastic spot to stay in Tuscany if you want to view some of Italy's most well-known artwork and many of its historical landmarks. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon with another video. For more information, subscribe and watch other videos from our channel.